Welcome back. A retaining wall collapsed due to negligence of GSIDC at Dona Paula on Friday night. Locals claimed without considering safety measures, GSIDC was working on a sewage line in the area. The retaining wall came down in the premises of D'Souza family. None were hurt in the mishap. Now, GSIDC has assured to reconstruct the retaining wall within 2 days.
रात्री 10 पडले काय पाऊस पडटालो
पाऊस पडना हलो डिस्टन्स पडले न्ही कोण ते पयली दार येयलेली रे बाबा थिंगा ते पोत्तीत आले न्हू तेन्ना ती दार येयलेली थिंगा ते पेज कितें जालें कोण जाणा नको कितें जालें म्हण ते आनी ते मागीर पडले न्हू हे बेश्टे आपुणूच पडला वाचोन कोणाक लागोना.
The engineers at the site have assured to construct the retaining wall and complete the work within 2 days.
क्रॅक म्हणटा कितें रोड पयलींच्यान हांगा सिवेजचें काम जाल्लें न्हू सिवेजचें काम जाल्लें तेंच्यांनी जें फिलिंग केल्लें न्हू तेका लागून तें क्रॅक येयला आमच्या कामाक लागून क्रॅक येवंक ना
सायडीकचे ते फिलिंग केला पळय
ना ना तें न्हू सिवेज आतां घातला न्हू सिवेज पायपलायन घातल्या न्हू तेन्ना सिवेज पायपलायन कट करून जेन्ना मड फिल केला न्हू तेंच्यांनी कॉम्पॅक्शन करूंक ना तेका लागून क्रॅक जाला मिस्टेक कुणाची ती हांव सांगूंक शकना पूण कितें तें सिवेज लायन घातली न्हू त्यार पयलीं ऑलरेडी लूज जाल्लें आनी जेन्ना आमचें काम स्टार्ट जालें तेन्ना तेका लागून ते क्रॅक्स खंय खंय येयले न्हू आनी मेन म्हणटा पावसाक लागून ते क्रॅक्स हे जावन क्रॅक जाला ते नॅचरल दॅट इज.
तुम्ही किती करता
आमी रिटर्निंग वॉल बांदता
कितल्या दिसांनी बांदताले
आयज आमी हे सगळें काडून एक दोन दिसां भितून रिटर्निंग वॉल रेडी करतले.
Meanwhile, Taligaon MLA Jennifer Montserrat is annoyed with the concretization work of road at Miramar to Dona Paula.
The people who are doing up the road right now, which is I think GSIDC, I think it is their responsibility to make sure that things are set right and the road is set right so people can use it once again because it's a great inconvenience. For the main road from Miramar to Dona Paula, I don't see anything happening. It just seems to be getting worse.
Shishant Paul and Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Wife of David Driham, alias Dudu, has deposed before the Mapsa CBI court in police drugs mafia nexus case. In her statement, wife of Dudu, Zariana, stated that she was aware about the sting operation carried out by her sister-in-law Ayala. Zariana also stated the sting operation was carried out to prove innocence of Dudu in the drugs peddling case.
Wife of Dudu, Zariana, recorded her statement before the Mapsa CBI court in police drugs mafia nexus case. Zariana's statement focused around the sting operation carried out by Dudu's sister Ayala.
Sunil Gudler sting operation.
Today was the recording of the statement.
Yes.
How many witnesses?
There is 10 witnesses in this case.
Today
is Zarina eyewitness.
Okay.
Sting operation of Mr. Sunil. We say only truth. We don't have nothing to hide, and everybody will know soon the truth what's going on.
Dudu's sister Ayala, in a sting operation of PSI Sunil Gudla, had exposed that cops attached with anti-narcotics cell of Goa police were demanding money from people threatening to plant drugs on them. CBI has recently filed a supplementary charge sheet in this case against DYSP Naresh Mamal, PSI Sunil Gudlar, Constables Mahadev Naik, Mahabaleshwar Sawant, Samir Warkankar, Uremia Guraye and Nagesh Parsekar for planting drugs on Israeli drug dealer David Driham alias Dudu. Zariana claimed that Dudu is innocent and truth will come out before the court.
All the facts is outside. Sting operation showing everything. And Mr. Goodwell is saying alone about himself, everything. I have nothing to say more. Truth is come up.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Panchi pay parking issue is heating up. Shopkeepers have demanded corporation to have a disciplined parking and issue fines for double parking instead of pay parking in the city. Shopkeepers also alleged that they were not taken into confidence before deciding on pay parking system in Panji. Some corporators have also opposed pay parking system.
Pay parking करूंक सोदता हांगासर ते पे पार्किंग आमकांय जाय पूण ताका कितें तरी सुरवात वेवस्थीत जावंक जाय. आज तुमी फक्त रेव्हेन्यूवा खातीरूच पे पार्किंग करता अशें मनाच्या लोकांच्या मनान समज जाल्लो आसा तो तुमी पयलीं दूर करपाचो प्रयत्न करपाक जाय.
पे पार्किंग पेक्षा डिसिप्लिन पार्किंग केल्ली चड बरी बिकॉज हांगासर लोक कशे येवन पार्क करता आनी भायले ट्युरिस्ट आसा तिंका आयडिया आसना ते नॉर्मली येवन अशें उलटे पार्क करता म्हळ्यार गाडी तोंड अमके वटेन आसता आनी मागीर ते तिंका खबर आसतना वाट खंय कितें सो तो त्यापेक्षा बोर्ड घालचे.
पे पार्किंग करने से सभी दुकान वालों का लॉस हो रहा है, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी 18 जून टूरिस्ट एरिया था, पूरे टूरिस्ट डाइवर्ट हो रहे हैं कलंगुट कोस्टल एरिया में. अगर फिर से आप पे पार्किंग करेंगे तो बचा कुचा है वो भी डाइवर्ट हो जाएंगे. तो इस पे पार्किंग मत कीजिए, इसके बजाय कोई डबल पार्किंग करता है तो उसको कुछ फाइन मारिए.
Some opposition corporators have also opposed pay parking. Corporators feel that pay parking system in Panji needs thorough study and a detailed plan.
पणजेचो आमचो उतावीळ मेयर पणजेचे वेगवेगळे 18 रस्ते एका वेळार तो पयल्यार पे पार्किंग करपाक सोदता. एका म्हाजो विरोधी नगरसेवक म्हणून आनी आमचो विरोधी गट जो नगरसेवकाचो आसा हे आमी तीव्र विरोध करता. येता त्या कॉर्पोरेशन मिटिंगेक आमी पयल्यार हेच्या विरुद्ध आवाज उठयतले, हे डिसिजन फाटीं घेवपाक लायतले, कारण हे लोकांक डिसिजन पडपा सारकिल्लें ना. जशे तरेचे लोकांचे फिडबॅक मेळटा तेजे वयल्यान हे सारके क्लियर जाणवता. आनी त्या खातीर जर तर तो मेयर तरी आयकना जाल्यार लोकां बरोबर रस्त्यार उतरपाची सुद्दां आमी तयारी दवरलेली आसा.
शेनवार आयतार जर पळयशी जाल्यार वेहिकल नासता, सोमारच्यान सुरू जाता. तेच्या खातीर पे पार्किंग इज नॉट ए सोल्युशन.
We also tried to contact the CCP Mayor Surendra Furtado for his comments on opposition to pay parking, but he refused to comment. Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.